Introduction to the silver market. As a seasoned writer, I've always been fascinated by the intricacies of the silver market. This precious metal has captivated the attention of investors, industries, and consumers alike, with its value fluctuating in response to a myriad of factors. In this article, we'll delve into the secrets behind silver's price movements, exploring the key drivers that shape its ever-evolving landscape. Silver has long been regarded as a valuable commodity with a rich history that spans centuries. From its use in ancient civilizations to its modern-day applications in various industries, silver has maintained its allure as a sought-after asset. However, the silver market is anything but static, with prices constantly in flux, influenced by a complex interplay of supply, demand, and global economic forces. Factors influencing the price of silver. The price of silver is determined by a multitude of factors, each playing a crucial role in shaping its value. Let's explore some of the key elements that contribute to the fluctuations in silver prices. Supply and demand dynamics. The balance between the supply of silver and the demand for it is a primary driver of price movements. Factors such as mining output, recycling rates, and industrial consumption patterns can significantly impact the availability of silver, leading to changes in its market value. Investor sentiment. The silver market is heavily influenced by investor sentiment, which can be driven by factors like economic uncertainty, geopolitical events, and the performance of other asset classes. Increased investor demand for silver as a safe haven or speculative investment can drive up prices. Technological advancements. The emergence of new technologies and applications for silver, such as in the electronics, solar energy, and medical industries, can increase the demand for this precious metal, leading to price appreciation. Currency fluctuations. The value of silver is often inversely related to the strength of the US dollar, as a weaker dollar makes silver more affordable for international buyers, thereby increasing demand and pushing prices higher. Macroeconomic conditions. Global economic indicators, such as inflation rates, interest rates, and GDP growth, can significantly impact the perceived value of silver as an investment and hedge against economic uncertainty. Geopolitical factors. Geopolitical events, such as political instability, trade disputes, and global conflicts, can disrupt the silver supply chain and influence investor sentiment, leading to volatility in silver prices. Historical trends in the silver market. To better understand the current state of the silver market, it's essential to examine its historical performance. Over the past decades, the silver market has experienced significant fluctuations, with periods of both rapid growth and steep declines. In the 1970s, for example, silver prices soared to record highs, driven by the Hunt brothers' attempt to corner the market. More recently, the global financial crisis of 2008-2009 led to a sharp decline in silver prices, as investors sought safer havens during the economic turmoil. However, the silver market has also demonstrated its resilience, with prices recovering and reaching new highs in the following years. This cyclical nature of the silver market underscores the importance of understanding the long-term trends and patterns that have shaped its performance over time. Understanding supply and demand in the silver industry. At the heart of the silver market lies the intricate balance between supply and demand. On the supply side, silver is primarily obtained through mining operations, with major producers located in countries like Mexico, Peru, and China. The availability of silver is also influenced by recycling efforts, as well as the extraction of silver as a byproduct of other metal mining activities. On the demand side, silver finds applications in a wide range of industries, including electronics, jewelry, and photography. The rise of new technologies, such as solar panels and electric vehicles, has further increased the demand for silver, as it is a critical component in many of these innovative products. Analyzing the dynamics of supply and demand is crucial for understanding the underlying forces that drive silver prices. By monitoring factors such as production levels, inventory levels, and industrial consumption patterns, investors and industry analysts can better anticipate and respond to changes in the silver market. The role of investment in the silver market. The silver market is not only influenced by industrial demand but also by investment demand. Investors, both individual and institutional, view silver as a valuable asset for diversifying their portfolios and hedging against economic uncertainty. The rise of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles has made it easier for investors to gain exposure to the silver market. These investment products allow investors to participate in the silver market without the need for physical ownership, further increasing the demand for the precious metal. In addition to traditional investment vehicles, the silver market has also seen the emergence of speculative trading activities, such as futures and options contracts. These financial instruments can introduce additional volatility and complexity to the silver market, as speculators seek to capitalize on short-term price movements. The impact of global economic factors on silver prices. The silver market is not isolated from the broader global economic landscape. Macroeconomic conditions, such as inflation rates, interest rates, and economic growth, can have a significant impact on the price of silver. For instance, during periods of high inflation, investors may turn to silver as a hedge against the erosion of purchasing power, driving up demand and prices. Conversely, when interest rates rise, the opportunity cost of holding silver as an investment may increase, leading to a decline in silver prices. Moreover, global events, such as trade disputes, geopolitical tensions, and financial crises, can also influence the silver market. These factors can disrupt supply chains, alter investor sentiment, and ultimately affect the overall demand and pricing dynamics of silver. Technological advancements and the silver market. The silver market is not immune to the impact of technological advancements. As new applications for silver emerge, the demand for this precious metal can be significantly impacted. One notable example is the rise of the solar energy industry, which has become a significant consumer of silver due to its use in photovoltaic cells. As the adoption of solar power continues to grow, the demand for silver in this sector is expected to increase, potentially driving up prices. Similarly, the increasing use of silver in electronic devices, such as smartphones, computers, and medical equipment, has also contributed to the growing demand for this metal. Manufacturers' need for reliable and conductive materials has made silver a crucial component in many modern technologies. As the world continues to embrace technological innovations, the silver market will likely continue to evolve, with new applications and shifting demand patterns shaping the future of this precious commodity. Speculation and manipulation in the silver market. The silver market, like many other commodity markets, is not immune to the influence of speculation and manipulation. Investors, traders, and even governments have been known to engage in activities that can distort the true underlying value of silver. One notable example is the Hunt brothers' attempt to corner the silver market in the late 1970s. This led to a dramatic spike in silver prices, which was ultimately followed by a sharp decline, causing significant market disruption and financial losses for many investors. More recently, allegations of price manipulation in the silver futures market have surfaced, with some market participants accused of using tactics such as spoofing and wash trading to influence silver prices. These practices can create artificial price movements, making it challenging for investors to accurately assess the true value of silver. Navigating the silver market in the face of such speculation and manipulation requires a keen understanding of the underlying fundamentals, as well as a vigilant approach to risk management and due diligence. Silver price predictions and forecasts. Forecasting the future direction of silver prices is a complex and challenging task, as the market is influenced by a multitude of factors that can be difficult to predict with certainty. However, by analyzing historical trends, monitoring current market conditions, and considering the potential impact of various economic and geopolitical factors, industry experts and analysts can provide valuable insights into the potential future trajectory of silver prices. Factors such as the global economic outlook, the performance of other asset classes, and the evolution of industrial and investment demand for silver can all play a role in shaping price predictions. Additionally, the ongoing developments in the mining, recycling, and technological sectors can also influence the supply and demand dynamics, which in turn can impact silver prices. It's important to note that silver price forecasts are not infallible and can be subject to significant uncertainties and unexpected events. As such, investors and market participants should always exercise caution and conduct their own due diligence when making decisions based on price predictions. Conclusion: navigating the fluctuating world of silver prices. The silver market is a complex and dynamic arena, where a multitude of factors converge to shape the ever-changing value of this precious metal. From supply and demand dynamics to global economic conditions and technological advancements, the factors influencing silver prices are diverse and interconnected. As an experienced writer, I've delved into the intricacies of the silver market, uncovering the secrets behind its fluctuating value. By understanding the historical trends, the role of investment, and the impact of various global factors, we can better navigate the fluctuating world of silver prices and make informed decisions when it comes to this valuable commodity. To stay up to date with the latest developments in the silver market and gain deeper insights into the factors shaping its price movements, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. In our upcoming issues, we'll provide you with in-depth analysis, expert insights, and actionable strategies to help you navigate the ever-evolving silver landscape.